Let's walk about trees. Today we will learn about different trees and its characterization. There are many kinds of plants. There are grasses, flowers, shrubs, and bushes and trees. But what is special about a tree? A shrub or bush has leaves, flowers, and branches. Just like a tree, the branches of shrubs grow straight from the soil. A tree grows from the soil from the one single shoot. The shoot is called the trunk. Branches grow from it. The trunk and branches of tree are protected by bark. Keeps the tree cool in summer and warm in winter. It stops the tree from being dried by the sun. As the tree grows, the bark splits, cracks, and falls off. There is always new bark underneath the old. There are many kind of trees. Each kind of tree has its own special shapes. Some trees like the English oak are tall and rounded. Some droops. As though the word said, this tree is called a weeping willow. Some are straight and slim, the slim trees. All trees have leaves. Some trees keep their leaves throughout the year. These trees are called evergreen trees. And some trees lose their leaves in the autumn. They are called deciduous trees. Most deciduous trees have broad, flat leaves. Leaves help produce the food on which trees leaf roots carry water and chemicals from the soil to the branches and the leaves. You can identify the leaves: beech, mountain ash, oak, holly, and some other are these. In springtime, trees have flowers. Without a flower, there could be no fruit. Inside each fruit, there are seeds. A new tree could grow from each of these seeds. These are grew on trees. Many kind of living creatures make their homes in trees. Animals often live around the roots. Insects live beneath the bark and provide food for birds. High above the ground, squirrels are safe from their enemies. When a seed is cut down, you can see the pattern of rings in the trunk. It takes 1 year for each ring to form. And this is the pattern of the trees cutting became. Would you like to live in a world without trees?